I had always heard the comment, stress kills. And I didn't really get it until I got cancer. And then even when I had cancer, I didn't really understand how it impacted my health until I saw several blood markers that were consistently high all the time. Namely, cortisol was one of the biggest ones. So stress is in our life all the time. We live in a modern era where things are upside down crazy. We can say yes to too many things. We can be busy. We can have a hard time saying no to things. We can also have stressors that we don't even intend. The death of a loved one, our own illness, tragedies strike all the time. But what can we do about it? Because the goal is, if we can lower cortisol, we can lower insulin, and we can actually lower blood sugar. I found the most important thing that changed my life was meditation. In just 4 weeks of going to a meditation class, just once a week, I lowered my cortisol in half. And then I was a believer. I realized that stress could be all around me, and I could change my own stress response so that I was healthier inside.